So this week in the workshop we have had two T25s on the ramp, both for airlift. One's on 3P, the other one is on 3H. You cannot get a kit off the shelf for these, so Jack has CNC'd and fabricated a kit that hopefully he'll be releasing soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. We need to get the vehicles washed, as we are off to an event tonight at the Detailing Academy, or Finesse Detailing Academy. I believe that's so they can showcase the Yaris GR's new look that Colourcraft and Identity Wraps have done quite a lot of work on recently. So that's pretty cool. We're then off to see Mitch Stafford as it's his birthday, so we're going to go and celebrate that with him. So yeah, let's get these vehicles cleaned. Also, we'll pull one of these vans, one of the T25s is there about done. So we'll get that outside and do some cinematics of that. They're not Lowdown low. It's just the customers didn't want that. They just wanted them simply on air ride. So yeah, we'll get some shots of it. And then within the next few weeks, hopefully, there is a T25 that we are quite excited to show you that definitely is Lowdown low. So keep your eyes peeled for that one.
Just got taught at Finesse, Detailing Academy. So this was like an invite-only event. So it's like an evening with some food and some coffee and beers and just to hang out. So we'll just do a quick walk around and see what's about. It's a bit dark though, so we can't really see everything, but we'll get some shots of what's in the light.
We didn't really film an outro to this video, so just have a video of us getting drunk in Mitch's split.
The end.